Welcome to Columbia Ford Kia, 234 Route 6 in Columbia, Connecticut. Today, we're test driving the 2012 Kia Optima SX. We're going to do a small review, a test drive, and an exhaust clip. Let's begin. The Optima SX comes with 18-inch, 8-spoke alloy wheels, wrapped with hand-cooked Optimos. The Optima features a 2-liter turbo gas direct injected 274 horsepower engine with 269 foot-pounds of torque, all utilized efficiently by a 6-speed automatic gearbox where you can select the gears. The EPA estimates up to 40 miles per gallon for the new Optima. The new Optima features HID front headlights as well as LED tail lights, heated mirrors with a turn signal, rear spoiler, and dual exhausts. Now that we've seen a lot of the great exterior features, let's take a look inside the new Optima. It's equipped with an 8-speaker Infinity audio system, charcoal perforated leather trimmed interior, carbon fiber accents with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and power adjustable seat with lumbar. This one features a $1,400 option known as the technology package, featuring an in-dash 7-inch LCD screen, featuring navigation, AM/FM radio, satellite radio, as well as media inputs for your iPod, MP3 player, or phone. Also for your phone, voice activated and steering wheel controls to use your phone hands-free. Dual zone climate control, heated and cooled driver and passenger seats, and a panoramic sunroof that stretches all the way to the back. Rear heated seats are available. The Optima is equipped with HD radio and Microsoft UVO equipped technology. Did I mention the push to start? This one has the Kia cargo organizer net, as well as the mats for the interior. Keep those carpets clean. Additionally to what we went over, it was built in the USA. This one's sticker is just over 31,000, under 32. The base for the SX Optima is 26.5. Here's all the options that are featured in this one. Here's some standard features, quite a few of them. And our warranty is the best out there. It's a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Now, the car's locked, and I really don't feel like entering anything on a keypad. Good thing, because I have the key fob in my pocket, and if I hit this button, it unlocks the vehicle. So we've just reviewed the Optima. We'll take you for a little test drive around the lot, talk about it a little bit more. It has a great sound system. Powered by, once again, Infinity stereos. Really responsive power, owing to the turbo, 274 horsepower. I compared this, in particular, with the Audi A6 and the BMW E350, and honestly, it was close. Besides the way in the prices, this was $31,000 comparably equipped. Theirs were 45 and above. So if you don't mind driving around in, the name brand of Kia, you can save yourself about $20,000. Personally, I really like the Optima, especially the SX, and especially with this engine. Very powerful, a lot of fun to drive. The interior is gorgeous. The color on this one's gorgeous. And you really can't go wrong, as far as I'm concerned. So this wraps up the 2012 Kia Optima SX with the turbo engine. I'm Toll for the Demo Dude. If you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call at 860-228-AUTO. That's 228-2886. Visit us at columbiaford.com, www.columbiaford.com. Like us on Facebook. Stay up to date on all of our latest reviews of cars. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you'd like. Keep up with us on social media. That is the best way to stay in touch with the latest and greatest deals from Columbia Ford Kia, 234 Route 6 in Columbia, Connecticut. Thank you again for watching. This is Toll for the Demo Dude. Have a great day. I would love to hear what you have to say about this video. If you don't see a vehicle, Ford or Kia, on our channel and you'd like to see it, let us know. If you have feedback, please comment the channel or send me a message. I'm Toll for the Demo Dude. Thanks for watching.